Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to look at Treasury Airdrop. The countdown is finally over, and right now you can see their latest updates. They said the door has opened. The door has opened. The door is open. What's inside? And is anyone there? Be brave, step in, turn on the light and look around. So this is the latest update. Now let's open this treasury to know what we can find there. Tap on and open. So right now is the treasury. We are going to win or see the hidden treasury there, and we'll be able to unlock it and claim the reward. To continue, lock to continue, tap on. That's really beautiful. I can see dog from that video. I said it earlier that this treasury was found by the dogs community, that's dogs creator. If you have not started mining this project, it's still not late. Link in the video description. Do where to start immediately. The soul of the company for active chatting in Telegram, total messages sent is 3,524 messages sent on this my account. Wow, I'm really an OG. Now I'm going to claim this treasury reward, the 50s. Click on claim. I missed something. Oh, there's something I'm supposed to read there. So the new kitchen. Can I find it? Okay, the new kitchen. The new kitchen beginning. So this is the new kitchen beginning. If you click on the treasury, there's something that I skipped. So this is the treasury. Our treasury total gift is 3,010, and the basic is 1,629. The unique is 1,029, and the epic is 352. So this is the current spotlight, the ultra, the giveaway. So they say March 30th, don't miss. Okay, we have a giveaway. If you click on the giveaways, March 30th, don't miss. So on March 30th, we are going to know what we are going to. On March 30th, we know what will happen on Treasury. So don't miss that day. Be on alert. So the giveaway, this is what they are going to share: the wristwatch, the caps, and everything. All these items here is what they will share on the giveaway on 30th of March. So be on alert, don't miss it. They say collect points and participate in huge gift giveaway from the treasury. So if you click on friends, this is the number of friends I invited 9 friends, and are available for collection is 25x. I'm going to click on claim to claim that. I have done that. So if you click on this quest, the quest is still the same. Click on activity. Okay, we have new beginning. The code today is ion. Let me type it. ion. So do it right away. Check the code is correct, then you click on continue. So I've gotten this price. So we are still going to continue doing the task, but right now there is no longer countdown on the boat. There is no longer countdown. So if you have not connected your wallet, make sure you connect your own wallet. Very, very important. And be active. We will still wait for more updates on how the app is going to be running right now. So that is it for this video. If you have not started, link in the video description. Do well to start mining immediately. See you guys in my next video. I have connected my wallet. Make sure you connect your wallet. It's very, very important. It's very important. Thank you guys.